right, let's check this out. You were asking in the email, larger body issues, if there are any, before we continue on the face and everything else, like stuff like this, but covering their face there. So let's check it out.
Here they are, the beautiful Backstreet Boys.
God, I love Nick so much. He's so hot. Rub my face on his face. Ugh.
I think it's overall really cool.
Here they are.
Let me look
the
at
beautiful Backstreet Boys.
turn on the sound a bit. It's the one on the right. She has a bit less stuff. She seems all fine, right? So once this happens, you're pulling her. Just be careful how quickly you move her forward.
On his.
And body-wise, it will be, since this is all step, just think about, is it going to be, she's just holding her, and then she is moving forward, for instance, with her head, leading with the head, going, ah, and then he just drags her along with her arms? Or is it that she is initiating with her arms first and pushing her down? So is it then a push from that back arm that's just kind of there for stabilizing? So your body mechanics on her need to work to showcase that it's the back arm, her left arm, pushing her down. Or is it just pulled against her so that it's her head that goes down and her head just follows, stuck to her head because she is pulling her against her head, if that makes sense. I always look at those issues and then how fast you get into this, and just showing what exactly is leading here.
On his.
And this might be too soon, maybe. Or maybe she knows that that's going to happen. Like, uh-oh. But as long, you know, the faster you go down here, be careful. I think the more time you want to take here, which I think you already have. Yeah, that's pretty good. That the momentum can recover. And then same thing here. Here it seems like, let's see here, if you're going all down. So from here to here, same thing. You want to, I don't know if you want to then go and have her head go back. That takes the chest back and so on. That she's now initiating the whole thing and just pulling her along with her arms. So that shoulders would be forward, arms would be forward. And then her body would still be here with the neck. And it's really her head being pulled back. So look at that part during those body moments there. That's all cool. Balance stuff is cool. Lets her go plop. She stays there. That's good. I like the hang time here a lot. The tricky thing here is we're getting a bit into magic land where how she gets up here. A couple of things. So A, just body wise, you bring that knee in just a bit more. You're dangerously close to have the, you know, the bend of the knee towards camera, so we don't see the actual length of it. So it seems like it's very foreshortened. Or if your squinty test, right, your leg just looks very short. Also, your foot's totally broken. Even more so here. I'm curious how she gets up from here to here. How is she able to get up like that? I am gonna act it out later. That's the only thing. So, and also animation wise, the root seems to go straight away from us, so the head just kind of shrinks. So just watch out shape wise and visually how she goes back. It's a bit more appealing, but you might have to do a, let's see, so you might have to do, goes back here. It's a good question. I think you're gonna have to do a strong arm Shatner, pose up, shoulder up, and then really stretch her back so that it's like almost a swing back with her arms with like a slight raise like that maybe, and then she's just off balance enough to fall back. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Even though that sounds like I did nothing. I just got onto the ground. It's early morning. I'm old. This hurt. I know this is a bit Magic Land here, cartoony stuff we can potentially exaggerate, but there's no way that you can technically physically do this. So I'll just find a way to make that just a bit more believable. Also, it will help you not kill her here. So, you know, you can do a bit of a, if he does like a quick get up here where maybe that, you know, maybe she can swing her foot up. That won't work. It was a crappy silhouette here. I wouldn't bring up this leg because then you're gonna kick her here. So I think I would just go maybe, you know, this high up through a swing. Like I said, bring her arms way back, and that way you can get a really, really nice full on C curve back there, the line of action. So it's not covering her face, it's just full on that swing that gets her so off balance that she's gonna fall back and swing out those legs.
Here they are,
Other than that,
Backstreet Boys. The beautiful Backstreet.
same thing here. You want to make sure that the root is not getting up at the same time as that arm as you get into there. So maybe you get a little bit more time for her to bring the arm underneath to kind of push herself up and then bring that butt up. So kind of, you know, obviously some offsets.
Backstreet Boys.
Body issues. Make sure when she does this, all the weight is here. You have enough influence on the shoulder and the chest. So as she gets up, everything has to now be held on here. Nice playing of fingers. And then she goes down. That's cool. How she gets up here, I will probably push that a bit more, where you have to fully extend her arms, but more than this guy. And even this one you could fully extend. This one you can get off earlier. It's nice for an offset, but just so it's a bigger push, almost full extension. Get up like that. She can do a lot with her head, but right now, with that rake, that head is so huge that it's just such a huge mass going up and down. It would be great to get a bit less of that, so it's a bit more through her arms and less through her head swing back. Because right now it just goes and kind of stops. I know she overshoots and comes back a bit, but it's a bit strong there.
So much.
Careful about stuff like this. Very fast. That's just a bit fast. Especially how she stops. You can track her nose and bam, she just hits that wall. Psh. Also watch out, it seems like you have that head align or head IK, whatever that function will be called on that rig, but where there's so much rotation and change, but then the orientation is the same on her head, it's just to translate forward.
He's so hot.
This seems a bit like she's gonna kill herself and snap her neck. So watch out that there's more influence on the chest. You know, we go this far and then the rest is all done with the chest as well. She's fully turning to her. Otherwise, it feels a bit too much up here, giving her that snap neck look.
Rub me.
Should be fine. She's holding here, you don't have to be far off balance. It's fine. And that's what I talked about here. I think that's kind of it. It's overall fantastic. I love it.
Here they are, the beautiful Backstreet Boys.
God, I love Nick so much. He's so hot. Rub me.
Yeah, the only thing, as I mentioned in the email, is just slightly uncomfortable with how young they look. So hot. And then rubbing. It's just a great line though. Bam. So yeah, that's kind of it. Thank you.
All right. There's an email. You can sign up. You can start whenever you want. You can submit whenever you want. You get 16 submissions. Either way, a like and subscribe would be awesome. All right. Thank you.